Want to know about the 4 fun facts about Parkland, Florida? I'm Stephen Engasser from eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. If you're new to my channel, I'm all about teaching you everything you need to know about South Florida and its real estate that you can't find in a listing. So, Parkland, Florida is known for being a quiet suburban community, but there are several lesser known facts and interesting aspects about the city that you may not be aware of. So, here are 4 things that you might not know about Parkland, Florida. Number 1, the green spaces, or the green space preservation. Parkland's committed to preserving green spaces and maintaining a rural atmosphere. The city has a strict zoning regulations and land use policies aimed at protecting its natural environment. In fact, roughly 1/3 of the city's land is designated as a protected green space. Number 2, Marjorie Stoneman Douglas. Parkland is home to the renowned Everglades conservationist and author Marjorie Stoneman Douglas. She was a prominent advocate for environmental conservation and played a significant role in preserving the Everglades. The one and only high school in Parkland is named after her, Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School. Number 3, safety ranking. Parkland has been recognized as one of the safest cities in Florida and the United States. It consistently ranks as one of the safest places to live, with low crime rates and a strong sense of community security. Number 4, the equestrian community. Parkland has a strong equestrian tradition and is home to numerous equestrian estates and facilities. The city has riding trails and horse-friendly atmosphere, making it a unique place for horse enthusiasts in South Florida. These lesser-known aspects of Parkland, Florida add to its charm and character as a community dedicated to preserving its natural beauty, safety, and cultural vitality. If you like this video, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm Stephen Engasser from eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com.